What's the meaning of buppie? Buppie. Buppie.
Buppie. Buppie. Buppie is a term that originated in the United States in the 1980s, and it is a shorthand for black urban professionals. The word was coined to describe upwardly mobile black Americans who were moving into predominantly white urban areas and becoming successful professionals. Buppies were known for their affluence, education, and fashionable tastes. They were seen as a new generation of African Americans who were breaking down racial barriers and achieving success in mainstream society. However, the term has also been criticized for perpetuating stereotypes and overlooking the diversity within the African American community. In short, buppie refers to successful black professionals in urban areas.